Point weather alerts on this Monday at noon, and I had a couple of friends texting me, Michelle from Bristol, saying that they said it had to be a lightning strike because the car alarm went off, the lights flickered inside their house, so it was pretty intense for a while.
Yeah, some pretty good storms caused a lot of street flooding and poor drainage flooding in the typically prone spots. I do expect us to see some improvements. We're still under a severe thunderstorm warning now just for the very outer part of Cape Cod right now, and that's set to expire in about 10 minutes. This is the cell we've been keeping a close eye on, and it is just now pushing off of the outer Cape and out over to the waters, and it still could potentially produce a water spout, though we haven't had any reports of a tornado actually on the ground. This was all radar indicated rotation within the storms, is something we've been monitoring. The severe weather pushing to the east of Nantucket now too, so some improving conditions this afternoon. The back edge of the rainfall is right along 395 and continuing to slide east, but the worst of the rain, the thunderstorms, has moved out. Here's how much rain we picked up in some parts of western and northern Rhode Island. More than 2 inches of rain falling in places like Smithfield and up around Burrville as well, and in Providence and down across the bay. We picked up about an inch and a half of rainfall, so some really beneficial rain. It just came down very heavy throughout the morning hours. It's all from a cold front. That front is pushing across Cape Cod right now. Behind the front, the winds have been turning to the northwest and the temperatures are dropping, so we can see that cooler air just to the north and west of us, and already our temperatures have started to cool, and you can see the winds picking up too. It's going to be a gusty afternoon, potential for some wind gusts over 30 miles per hour, and the wind direction has changed to the north-northwest, a sign that our front has come through, and so our temperatures cooling now back to the upper 40s in Smithfield, middle 50s Providence, Newport, and mid 50s in New Bedford. Our high for the day already happened this morning. We hit around 60 degrees in the Providence area and 63 in New Bedford. So that rain is going to be winding down from west to east, should be dry in most of Rhode Island by about 2 o'clock, and shortly after across southeastern Massachusetts. Evening commute, the skies are clearing out. We are going to see those temperatures continuing to cool, so by 5 o'clock we're at a chilly 42 degrees and the winds gusting again to make it feel even chillier than that. Upper 30s in Smithfield, Providence, and Newport at 8 o'clock in the evening, and the temperatures will continue to cool through the 30s overnight tonight. Late night lows down to about 30 to 35 degrees, so much chillier beginning to our day tomorrow, but it is going to be a quieter weather day. In fact, our next chance of rain, unfortunately, will be moving in for Thanksgiving, and this is another area of low pressure. This will be centered across the central Great Lakes, and then it looks like it'll take a track that brings it into southern New England. So this is 8 a.m. Thursday morning after a dry and pretty quiet day across southern New England on Wednesday. We wake up to showers on Thanksgiving Day, and this low pressure will bring some scattered showers off and on throughout the afternoon and evening. As it pushes offshore by Friday morning, the rain will be moving out. That Thanksgiving forecast then looking at temperatures in the 40s at 8 o'clock, middle 50s at noontime, and upper 50s with that chance for showers in the later afternoon. In the 7-day forecast, our chilliest day of the week is actually going to be tomorrow. Highs will only top out in the middle 40s, and we're still going to have a breezy afternoon with the potential for some gusts to 25 miles per hour. Lower 50s on Wednesday, dry during the day, and after we get through Thanksgiving, we do have more dry weather in store for Friday and the upcoming week.